Hi, I'm Dr. Mandi, and today you're going to watch me treat an 11-month-old baby. So what we're doing first here is we're checking for her hip and pelvic mobility. So all I'm doing is taking her legs, her pelvis, and kind of moving it through different ranges of motion. I'm just kind of feeling for just some tension or some restrictions throughout those ranges of motion. And here what we're looking for is we're feeling her belly tension. So babies that have like constipation issues, gas issues, we're just feeling around her where her intestines lie and just for any discomfort or firmness in that belly, and we're kind of helping loosen that up to help her bowels move along a little bit.
Thanks. Should be a singing elephant somewhere.
Stitch.
That was a sticky tooth. Thanks.
Now what I'm doing is I'm sliding my fingers underneath her back and I'm feeling along her like mid back and lower back spine. So what I'm feeling in for is any like excessive tension or stiffness through there. And what I'm doing is using her body weight to do the adjustment for me. So that little bit of weight causes enough pressure that we can kind of loosen things up that way.
He's having fun. Oh, you got a little tooth coming in. All right, can we go on your belly for a second? Ready?
Whoa.
So what we're doing now is we're picking her up and we're flipping her onto her belly. Now both babies will kind of lay nice and easy for us. She's crawling and she's on the move, so she's making things a little harder. What we're checking for again is her pelvis. So I'm just checking the motion of her pelvic bones. I'm checking her gluteal folds, and I'm just seeing if there's any adjustments needed in this region.
Hi. A little tighter. You don't know what's going on. Can I hold you for a second?
Then what I'm doing next is I'm actually holding her and again just kind of assessing her spine there. I'm just feeling for muscles, tension, anything like that, and just gentle pressure will help alleviate that for her.
You okay?
You can see.
Got fishies on it? Yeah. Is this? Can you give the pin a hug?
Hi.
She's giving pin a hug yesterday.
Nice. You can feel the animals in that book.
Did they? Monkey.
Lay on your back, ready?
Now we're laying her back on her back, and normally what I would do is check her neck range of motion. Again, she's a little older, so she likes to be on the move. We tried to check it laying down. She didn't want to do that, which is okay.
Good job. Ooh, I know you can move that arm, you just won't let me. There you go. Good job. Ready? Turn around. Wow. Hi. Can we go this way? No, watch me. No, oh, okay, throw it out. Oh, I know. It's okay. Can we lay on your back? No. You want to get up for a second? Ready? Lay down. I know. It's okay. You don't want to lay on your back?
Again, she's a little older, so she likes to be on the move. We tried to check it laying down. She didn't want to do that, which is okay. So I just sat her up on my lap, and all I'm doing is feeling for the muscles of the neck and the motion and the mobility of those joints, and just again gently loosening those up so she has full neck range of motion.
Butterfly. Yeah. Look over here. Ooh. Look, what is this?
Ooh.
Monkey. Is that a rabbit?
Hi.
What about that one? Oh, they're sticking.
Good. Okay. Crawling.
She's walking.
Walking already. Wow. Look at you go. Can I watch you walk?
And then lastly, what we're doing, because she's at this age and she's actually walking already, is I set her down and I have her dad on the opposite end and I'm just watching how she walks. So I look for any asymmetries, any favoritism, anything like that, so that I know in the future what we need to work on if she does have anything that's off balance as far as her pelvis, feet, legs, anything like that. Now, if she was even younger, we would also do a full mouth assessment, which involves me putting on gloves and feeling a bunch of different things in her mouth. She's too old, she's already nursing, and everything's going well with that, so we didn't assess that today. I hope this encourages you to bring your baby in to get checked out here at Drummond Chiropractic.